Hey, let's get right to it. Week 8 for Monday, and for our map activity, a map scale looking at the Lone Star State of Texas. So let's see what we have for the questions. It says, how many cities are shown on this map? How many cities? And then while we're at it, what is the capital of Texas? So how many cities? Well, let's go ahead and count them off so we don't miss any of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's 7, 8, 9. I think I got all of those. And finally, 10. So we have 10 cities and Austin, Texas. That is the capital. So, you could kind of do this two ways. You could say 9 cities. We know this is going to be Austin. 9 cities, and then I would put out here not including the capital city. If you're supposed to include the capital city, then that would be 10. But looking here at this key, it says here's the city and here's the capital. So I would say based on that, you would probably be safe saying 9, not including the capital city. All right, let's take a look at the word problems here. Seashells. That is the theme for this week. Maria has more seashells than Ernie. Ernie has more seashells than Jan. Who has the most and who has the fewest? So let's look at this here from most to least. This is kind of like a logic puzzle. So Maria has more shells than Ernie. So Maria is going to be right here. And she has more than Ernie. So we're going to put Ernie right in here. He has less. Ernie has more seashells than Jan. So Jan's going to be right here. So who has the most? Maria. And the least is Jan. Okay. Math practice. 12 times 3. Well, we can do this one of two ways. All right. We know that multiplication is repeated addition, so we can just add that up and go 36. We could have also said 12 times 3. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Either way. 25 minus 10, we're going to take 0 from 5 and get 5. Take 1 from 2 and get 1. Write 4 names for 15. Now this could be a number sentence. You could say 10 plus 5. That's the same thing as 15. You could even write out the word if you want. 15. Maybe even with Roman numerals like that. Or 3 times 5. Any of those, as long as it is a different way of writing 15. How many sides are in a rectangle? That is 4. How many corners? 4. And Mother sent Jesse and Cal to pick up corn for supper. Jesse picked 6 ears. Cal picked twice as many ears as Jesse. How many ears of corn did they have for supper? All right. So we're not wanting to know how much Cal has. We didn't want to know how much Jesse has. We want to know how much collectively they have. Well, we know Jesse got 6. And Cal picked twice as many. So twice 6, or 6 doubled, is 12. Add those together to get 18. All right. Getting these sentences corrected. Oh, don't you have anything to trade for lunch? Oh, goodness, there's so many things here. Let's get rid of this whole thing right here and say, do you have anything to trade for lunch? Question mark. He wants to know if you is going on the field trip. He wants to know if you are going on the field trip? Question mark. Fact or opinion? Going to the beach is the best vacation. Well, that is an opinion. I know a few people that would rather be skiing in Colorado. Mars is called the red planet. Now, that is a fact. That is a proven fact. That's what scientists and all that have named it. Common or proper noun? We have Coca-Cola. Well, that's a specific name brand of soda. It's capitalized, so it is a proper noun. All right, moving along. Minute 26 math. 21 divided by 3, that is 7. Okay, 21 total stars. Divide them into groups, or groups of 3. We have 7 of them. This is an angle. True or false? That is true. And actually, it has a very unique name. This is a 90-degree angle, and it is called a right angle. 1 times 6 is 6. There are blank angles and blank sides on this shape. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And what you'll find with a closed shape, a regular closed shape, is that the number of angles and sides are the same. 2 times 9, that's 18. And let's go ahead and add these here. 6 plus 5 is 11. 8, 9, and 10. So we got 101. And then write these numbers in order from least to greatest. So we have 19, and then 91, then 901, and then 910. The expanded form for 529 is blank plus 20 plus blank. Well, that's going to be 500 plus 20 plus 9. And then finally, round these numbers. 14 rounds to, and we're going to do it to the nearest 10. 14 rounds to 10. And 18 rounds to 20. All right. Grammar. Circle the possessive pronoun in each sentence. Okay. So a pronoun that takes the place of someone and shows possession or ownership. So Jeff is excited about his birthday party. All right. We could substitute this pronoun for a noun and say Jeff is excited about Jeff's birthday party. like this. Jeff apostrophe S, but that would make no sense. All right. So that is what a possessive pronoun does. It takes the place of a noun and then also takes the place of the apostrophe, showing possession. Did your invitation come in the mail? Your. I got my new dress yesterday. My. Alexis is driving in her new car. The kids gave their old toys away. Jessica saw her favorite movie again. Have you seen my science book? The lion dropped its prey and ran away. Never mind the bell that just went off. Why can't we bring our puppy into bed? And Julio saw his teacher at the grocery store. All right, there you have it. Minute 26, week 8, Monday, done.